Hey everybody, what's going on? This is your man Charles B here coming at you with the thing that you guys all been waiting for, that I've been telling you about. We're gonna blow up a watermelon. We got Kevin right here and he's ready to do it, and I'm ready to do it. We got the rubber bands and the watermelon, so we're just gonna put them on the watermelon. So there's gonna be a little bit of a time lapse because we gotta put all the rubber bands on the watermelon. So we'll just do that right now.
Actually worked.
Yeah, look at it.
I should have made you do it.
Yeah, that's okay. Well, there you go. It needed some help, but we got it. Hey everybody, how you doing? This is your man Charles B coming at you after the watermelon challenge. I guess it was a pretty successful challenge, I'd say. I mean, we had to give it a little help, but it managed to get there eventually. And if you want to see any more of my videos, just go to Charles Bala, Bala spelled B-A-L-A, on my YouTube channel, or you can follow me on my TikTok, which is Improv Guy 82, or on my Instagram, which is Charles Bala 5766. Thanks. Peace.